you've got to speak what you want into your life. But far beyond that, you have to believe what you want into your life. It's not enough to speak it. You must believe it, or you will never see it. More than believing it, you must be prepared to work for it. You must relish the thought of working for it, pushing for it, growing for it, sacrificing and clawing for it. If you believe you are capable of great things, you will attempt great things. If you believe you have limits, you will live within those limits. Who do you need to become to achieve that dream you have? The person you are right now might not be good enough. Who do you need to become? Are you willing to give up everything in pursuit of becoming that person? Commit every day to speak into your life what you want and what you are. Who you are and what you have inside you, waiting to come out. Who do you need to become? Speak it. I am capable. I am enough. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am strong. I am a fighter. I am resilient. I am a creator. I am blessed. I am a blessing to those around me. I am a force for good. I am capable of anything I set my mind to. I am willing to do whatever it takes. Speak it louder. I am capable. I am enough. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am strong. I am a fighter. I am resilient. I am a creator. I am blessed. I am a blessing to those around me. I am a force for good. I am capable of anything I set my mind to. I am willing to do whatever it takes. I am. I am. I am. Now, speak it louder, but add your own affirmation, something you feel deep in your soul. I am. 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 If that felt powerful for you, it's because you know somewhere deep down you have more inside. You've got more to give. You've got more to live. So dig deep down in your soul and every day believe I am. I am powerful. I am a force for good. I am capable of anything I set my mind to. And get out there and create that life you want.